Hey guys, my name is Khalil. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make money selling your study nuts. So if you're a college student with some amazing nuts, then this method is for you. Okay, so with this method you're going to be making money by simply selling your study nuts. So if you're a student or a graduate with some amazing nuts somewhere, with this method you can turn those study nuts into money. Okay, so but just so you know, you cannot get super rich with this method. However, you can use this as a side hustle to earn a steady flow of income. And also this is passive income, so which means you'll be able to make money even while you sleep. So without further ado, let's now get into the video. Okay, the first website where you can sell your study nuts for money is called Nexus Nuts. Nexus Nuts is a platform that allows you to sell your nuts and earn money. Okay, so what you do is you simply go to nexusnuts.com. There's a link in the description below. Just click it to redirect you to this website, and then you can sign up and start uploading your study nuts. Okay, according to this website, you can upload your notes within a few seconds, and then you can start making money. This website, with this website, your notes can be sold for up to $35, and then you earn 50% of that amount. Okay, and also this website pays you through PayPal. So to make money with this website, you will have to have a PayPal account. So if you don't have a PayPal account, then you simply go to paypal.com and sign up for a PayPal account, and then you can use that to register on this platform and start making money. So you need to have an active PayPal account. With this method, you're going to be making money by simply selling your notes. You know, you might have your old study notes somewhere rotten in your hard drive or something. Remember, you can sell those online and passive income. So what you need to do is click that link in the description, come to this website, sign up, and then you can start making money. Okay, the second website is called notsell.co.uk. This is a UK based platform that allows you to sell your study notes and earn money. Okay, so like the other one, with this one you also upload your notes. Just sign up, and then within a few minutes you upload your study notes, and then people will start there are students all from different countries of the world looking for those study notes, and then they'll start buying it, and you start earning your money. Okay, so that's notsell.co.uk. To get started with this website, you go to notsell.co.uk or click the link in the description below. It will redirect you to this website where you can then sign up and start making money. There are several platforms on the internet where you can sell your study notes for money, but I think these are two of the most popular ones that you can sell your notes. Okay, so you simply go to notsell.co.uk and nexusnuts.com, sign up, upload your study notes, and start making money. So like I said earlier, if you're a student or a graduate with some amazing study notes somewhere, just come to any of these platforms, sign up, upload your study notes, and within a few minutes your notes are on these platforms, and with that you can start making money. All right, or if you wonder who will buy your notes, there are people, students out there who aren't taking notes, or someone who missed a class and really needs those notes to prepare for exams and so on. So those are the kind of people that who are ready and willing to buy these notes from you. So you come to this platform, sign up, and start making money. Okay, so remember to subscribe to my channel please, and also like this video. That's that for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.